Ever wondered about the profound teachings of Stoicism and how they relate to Plato's philosopher king? Power is wisdom, not might? Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, emphasizes virtues like courage and self-control to attain inner peace and resilience. So, how can we apply these Stoic principles in our modern lives to navigate challenges with grace and wisdom? By embracing the idea that true power comes from within, from mastering our thoughts and actions, not from external dominance. Did you know that Stoics believe in focusing on what is within our control, letting go of what isn't, to achieve tranquility and purpose? This mindset shift allows us to face life's challenges with a sense of calm, clarity, and the ability to act virtuously. Stoicism teaches us that by embodying wisdom and virtue, we can lead with power that inspires and uplifts others, just like Plato's ideal ruler. So, next time you face a tough situation, remember the Stoic lessons: power lies not in might, but in wisdom and character.